In today's video, I'll show you how to unlock all cars and make every course free in Forza Horizon 6. Check my video description for this Discord server. Go to FH6 free course and download this latest tool. Select the download option. Select continue downloading. Select this right arrow and select download suspicious file. Once download done, select the folder icon and double click on the Autoshow unlocker version. Select more info and select run anyway option and select yes. Right click on the game and select open file location. For default game users, this is your game location. Copy this file path, paste it in here in game folder. So Horizon 6, select the attach option. You must launch the game before selecting this. Now press the Alt tab and open the tool. Select this attach option. And once this done, select all cores off. It's the option to enable. Apply before opening Autoshow. And once this done, go to buy and sell cores. Go to Autoshow. And in here, all cores are free and all cores unlocked. To show you guys it's working, I'm gonna buy a free car. And that's how you can make all cars available and make it free in Forza Horizon 6. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.